Lecture 35. Imagine, if you will, a quaint little cottage nestled in the heart of a dense forest. The cottage, though charming, has an uninvited guest. A vine has wound its way around the structure, slowly but surely sapping nutrients from the cottage's wooden walls. The vine doesn't mean to cause harm, but it's just doing what it needs to survive. This, my friends, is a simple illustration of the concept of parasitism. Parasitism, in essence, is a relationship in which one organism, the parasite, lives off another, the host, causing detriment to the host. But as with our vine and cottage, it's not personal, it's survival. One fascinating example of parasitism is that of the male chromosome. Picture it as a microparasite, borrowing genes from the egg. This is cellular parasitism, a viral mechanism that has allowed life to become complex. Yes, that's right. We, in all our complexity, are the result of symbiosis. Now consider reproduction. It's a process often associated with subjugation of consciousness, pain, and dangerous childbirth. Men evade the discomfort of toxicosis, while women bear the brunt. Yet despite the offspring providing no particular benefit to the body, something remarkable happens. The psyche of the creatures involved shifts, and they find joy, even going as far as to sacrifice themselves. In nature, fertilization often comes with an association to death, and the offspring grow up and leave their parents. Let's now turn our attention to viruses. These are essentially the seeds of parasitic cells that integrate into the cell's DNA molecule. They alter reactions and compel the cells to reproduce copies of themselves. But cells are not helpless victims. They've inherited the experience of existing in different environments with different organisms, and have learned to block foreign genes, even using them to their advantage. Often these foreign fragments are what allow bacteria to survive in harsh conditions. In this sense, parasitism is not just a survival strategy, it's the evolution of genes. Mild diseases sometimes shield us from fatal ones. As global balance restores and threats disappear, parasitism can transform into symbiosis or revert to an initial way of life. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? That all particles go through this stage to gain power on the planet, that the world is powered by each other. Even our small children live at the expense of their parents, all in the name of future societal balance.